Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to sharpen your knives. But why do you even need a sharp knife? Alright, stone, steel. Let's go for it. I don't like using oil or water or any of that stuff. It's a whetstone, W-H-E-T, not W-E-T. Anywho, use it like you're going to be filing something. And hold on to the knife, use the edge of the table, and it gets it really sharp. Oh, my camp knife, you haven't seen this one yet. Same thing, edge of the table, few strokes, make sure the tip is all nice. You can look at the edge in the light to see how you're doing, and then draw your finger across it. I mean sideways, so you don't, cut yourself. See? Sharp. Carving knife, same deal. Again, draw it down the edge of the table. Very good. And get the tip nice, because I like the tips of the knives to be as sharp as everywhere else. The heel right there, that's easy. But getting the mid and the upper part, now that's the hard part. And you get good at it. Alright, my French chef knife, my favorite knife. Chicago Cutlery, high carbon steel. I've somehow managed to keep this knife from getting pitted and rusty and all that other stuff because, well, I like it. It's been with me a while. Same thing, edge of the table. Look at that. Get that tip nice and sharp. There you have it. Okay, paring knife. Look at that baby. Carving ginger, looking good. Speaking of carving, look at that baby go. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Watch this.
Yeah, cut that in half.
Slice.
Nice piece of meat.
And this, of course, is why I like my tips sharp. Be careful because knives are sharp. And then just chop, 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 chop. Oh, you need to quarter your dough. There you go. Or slice up some fresh herbs. Cheesecake? Oh yeah, I thought you were supposed to use a hot, wet knife. Well, how about just a sharp one instead? Or maybe you want to drink some wine and go kabuki banzai on your garlic. And please, whatever you do, don't get caught up in scams. Best knife sharpener. Yeah, look at that. Oh, scary sharp. Well, I can agree with that. Mistakes. Yep, lots and lots of mistakes. Or just get ugly with oil and trying to make it razor sharp. Oh, wrong. Oh, wrong. Very wrong. And of course, go to the hospital wrong. Now here is exactly why I sharpen knives the way I do. And believe it, that it's the way. It really gets your tip sharp. It keeps the blade completely even across it. And it's not magic. It's pretty simple and clear what stone and steel is. And this is how you take care of your kale. And you need a nice sharp knife for that, especially the tips. I just have a thing about keeping the tips of your knives sharp, and it's the only way I've ever found out. Because what you really want to do is you want to turn this into this. Your sofrito into a bolognese, your bolognese into a beautiful lasagna, and with the help of a preparation plate, into a glorious plate of food. Sharp knives work.